Commercial Grade 2-Bag Laundry Cart Assembly Video. Step 1. Use screws to connect both ends of the G crossbar to the 2D tubes, forming the bottom component. Step 2. Insert the component from Step 1 into the B tubes to form the bottom frame. Step 3. Press the spring buttons to assemble the E and F tubes into support components. Step 4. Insert these support components into the tube sleeves of the fabric cover I. Step 5. Secure the support components to the bottom frame using screws. Step 6. Now insert tube A into both ends of tube C. This forms the top frame. Step 7. Use screws to connect the top frame to the support components. Step 8. Drape the fabric cover over the top frame. Fasten each hook one by one to lock everything in place. Then, use nuts and washers to attach the wheels to the bottom frame. Wheels labeled M have brakes. It's best to install both on the same side. Step 9. Hang the storage basket on laundry cart. Step 10 and 11. Choose between 1 or 2 compartments based on your needs. Step 12. Finally, attach the mesh bag to the main body of the laundry cart using the provided adhesive strips.